Hey, Monica and Stanley. Okay, so I just got done seeing both houses. I decided to do a video of the neighborhood, so just kind of driving through so you could see the difference between the two. So I thought I would just kind of share with you my professional opinion on the pluses and minuses for each house. So for the Berwyn house, it is a cute house. They've done it, they fixed it up inside because their daughter, they had bought that house for their daughter and she completely trashed it. So they had to fix it up. So that is the plus on that. The minuses on the Berwyn house is that it doesn't have a garage. They made the family room bigger, which meant they actually went into the garage space to do that. And then there's only one bedroom, and one bathroom, and then the neighborhood is so-so, and the area is so-so. The Shortridge house, the neighborhood is much nicer. You've got more space. You've got 2 full bedrooms, even though the layout is a little bit quirky. You've got at least the walk-in shower for your parents, so there's not going to be like a tub to have to step over to get into the shower. And then you got to cut through the kitchen to get to that shower because it's off the laundry room. But it does give you 4 bedrooms, so you don't have a basement, so you could probably use, I don't even know if your pool table would fit in some of those 3 bedrooms back there because it's pretty small. But you may be able to actually use that entryway, or like I came in and it had like the laminate flooring. You could probably fit your pool table there, and then it would be right next to the living room, which is the original part of the house, and that front door. That's where the carpet is. So I think the space for the Shortridge house is going to be better for you. I also like the idea that it has an attached 2-car garage, because as you know, our winters out here can be pretty brutal, so your quality of life is going to be better having a garage, your cars in the garage, and it's not going to be subject to all the ice and snow that we get in the winters. And then the neighborhood in the area is also much nicer than the Berwyn house. But I will leave it up to you guys. Oh, back to the Shortridge house. They took the stove and the refrigerator. So my suggestion for you would actually be to offer, I'm going to start, I think they're priced at $117.5. I think it's a little high. I think my suggestion for the Shortridge house is going to offer $115 and then ask the sellers to give you $2,000 at closing so you can go get a refrigerator and a stove oven. That way you're not having to come up with the money out of your bank account to go buy those appliances. The other thing to think about with the Berwyn house is that I already know that they have at least 3 offers and yours. Well, 3 offers, and then of course you guys are interested. So the price on that is probably going to get higher and higher, even though it's nicer and does have the appliances. And the other thing to consider about the Berwyn house is that their taxes are significantly higher. I'm just thinking, look at my computer real quick, because their taxes are $2,100 a year. So it's almost $200 a month just in taxes alone. So if I look at the Shortridge taxes, that is $1,400 a year. So that's just a little bit over $100 in taxes a month. So that's the other thing to consider as far as what your payment would be. If you have any questions, let me know. Of course, for the Berwyn house, we have to respond with an offer by 7 o'clock tonight. If you want to make an offer on the Shortridge house, we'll want to make an offer today, because when I was there at Shortridge, there were 4 buyers there before me waiting to get in, and as I was leaving, there were 2 more waiting for me to leave so they could get in. So there's probably going to be another multiple bid situation with the Shortridge house. That is just the way that our market here is Indianapolis. We have a large shortage of inventory, and the nicer homes get multiple offers and they go fast. So that's, why between Shortridge and Berwyn, we're kind of in this situation. So anyway, just text me and let me know which one you want to write an offer on. Let me know if you decide to do Shortridge, if you want to add that $2,000 into the offer, and then I can write it up and send it over. So anyway, I hope you enjoy these videos, and I hope they are very helpful to you guys to help you make a decision. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Okay, Monica, so I just walked into the front door, actually it's the side door. I'm going to guess this used to be the old breezeway that connected the house to the garage. So it's a nice entry. And then here is the original front door and your living room. And then through here, let me just pull back here so you can kind of get a better view of everything. And then in here, we're going to enter the kitchen. So the only thing that's really missing here that you'll need to get is a fridge. But it's got the dishwasher, table. Oh, and it's also missing a stove. So those are a couple of things you might need to budget for. It's not a very big kitchen, but it's got some good cabinets. I mean, so it's got enough there. I'm not quite sure what used to be here, but okay. Now here is your laundry room, and then here is a second full bath. kind of coming back around. There's a bedroom here. Closet. I'm not really sure if this is the master or not. But there's your garage. And then this is just the entryway to the backyard. And back in here, it's going to be your second bathroom. There you go. Now you got some lights. Got a bathtub in there. Little bedroom in here. Carpet looks to be in decent condition. There are a lot of people looking at this house. There's a third bedroom in here. It's really kind of small. Is there a closet in here? There's a closet, but the door is missing. And then another bedroom in here. So for the bedrooms on this half of the house, this is probably the largest. So there's 3 bedrooms on this side and a 4th bedroom on the other side. Okay. Just want to make sure I didn't miss anything. So your neat appliances here. You need a fridge and a stove. Yeah, and again, this is so your parents, they want to use this because it's got the walk-in shower. But they're going to have to come from the kitchen through the little hallway into their room here, which is actually very large. All right, heading on to the next house. I will chat with you soon. Okay, Monica, I am at the Berwyn house. So you come in, and it's got my ceiling fan, new carpet. Walk back in here. It's got a really nice kitchen. Of course, it's got the stove and the fridge. Here is your laundry. I'm kind of going backwards. Alright, so we're heading to some bedrooms here. Here's bedroom number 1. Wow, this is a really nice shower. Real big bathroom here. Let's see if I can get this. back around. Bedroom number 2. It's got a nice big closet. Oh boy. So then we're coming back to the front. Again, here's another view of your entry and the living room. And then here is the 3rd bedroom. So again, this is 3 bedrooms with just 1 bath. Oh, missed my hallway. And then here is your family room. So this doesn't have as much space, I don't think, as the last house, but it is definitely in better condition, but the other house is also in decent condition. So now this is, oh, okay, there is no garage. It's only that deep. So that is the downside of this house, is you don't have a garage. And like today, it's 30 degrees out, which is below freezing. As you'll see, this is the backyard. We have snow, and there's a duck and chickens next door.